So today we will discuss the topic photosynthesis. Okay, it's a very important chapter for board aspirants. Now, what is photosynthesis? So it may be defined as it is a process by which the green plants prepare their food from the carbon dioxide and the water molecule with the help of a chlorophyll in the presence of the sunlight. Okay, that is known as photosynthesis. So this photosynthesis definition we can write in the form of chemical equation, and that is 6CO2 plus 6CO2 plus 12H2O 12H2O, it will give the C6H12O6 plus, that is the glucose molecule, 6H2O, and finally 6 molecules of oxygen will release. Okay, here we can mention the sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, now what is the photosynthetic organ? The photosynthesis is carried out by the young stem and mostly by leaves. So therefore leaves are said to be the photosynthetic organ. So we can write here leaf is the photosynthetic organ. Okay, photosynthetic organ. Now, green plants are considered the autotrophs. Autotrophs are those organisms, those green plants which make their own food in the presence of the sunlight. Okay, now autotroph is divided into autotrophs is actually two types. First is known as photoautotroph and second chemoautotrophs. Okay, first is photoautotroph and second chemoautotrophs. Okay, now photo means light. So in the presence of the sunlight, when the plant cell make their own food, then this is called photoautotrophs. But some plants, when using the chemo means the inorganic material. Okay, so with the help of inorganic material which prepare the own food, then it is known as chemoautotrophs. For example, different kinds of sulfur bacteria are present in the ecosystem, okay, which are considered the chemoautotrophs. Okay, now the photoautotrophs mainly green plants as well as most of the green algae. Okay, most of the green algae. Now the next heading is heterotrophs. So what are heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are those organisms which indirectly depends upon the autotrophs. Okay, it is known as heterotrophs. Okay, that means they didn't have the capability to make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, Now next is adaptation in the leaves for photosynthesis. Okay, so first adaptation, first important adaptation for the photosynthesis is, suppose that the leaf surface is too much high, then the most maximum amount of the sunlight will absorb here. So suppose their thickness reduces the distance over which diffusion of carbon dioxide has to takes place. So we can mention here first point,